Mkhulu, Hugo Bros, Mkhulu. Thank you so much for listening to us, and thank you so much for adapting mawukuthi uyabona ukuthi ama tactics akho awasebenzi. I don't blame you for igame Mexico ukuthi you started with a defensive approach. Ekublamela khona ukuthi you didn't change mawubona ukuthi your defensive approach is not working. Waqhubeka ne 3-man defense or a 5-man defense lewa ukade uyenza. Xa kumele ushintshe, yabo, ushintshe ilokhuzana ishape ye team, udedele i team iphefumulo ihlasele ngoba wawubona ukuthi iyasiklinya leyo ukudlala ngokudefend. Igame yesibili angikublame you yona futhi ukuthi waqala waba defensive. Mhlawumbe wawusesaba kodwa wadlalisa abadlali aba right, wabuyela kwi back 4, wadlala 3 eswini, wadlala 3 phambili, which is what we want, yabo. And ngiyakuncoma for ukuthi egamini yesibili wathi mawusubona ukuthi we need a number 10 wamfaka uMfukeng. Thank you so much for listening to us. Wabona? Saqala sathola igoal. Saso silitholile igoalthi udlala ngalendlela wadlala ngayo kwi second half yegame yesibili. And izolo uqale kahle with the number 10, with Mfukeng there in the number 10 position, and 2 defensive midfielders, or a defensive midfielder in the box to box. But it was a 4-2-3-1, or you can call it a 4-3-3. Yabo, iyakwazi ukudlala leyo nto with the number 10 and the number 8 and the number 6. Omnye enye midfielder iya phambili buye emumva okumbatha in the number 6 position. Thank you. Yaya sithole cha bengingakwethembi baba, bengingakwethembi ukuthi uzokwazi ukudlala. But now it shows ukuthi if you have a number 10, you've got a reference point, someone who gives you direction in terms of how the team can attack. Awupheniki nawe kakhulu. You know exactly ukuthi ibhola uzodlala phi, unokuthi uCrowd uAdams noMkwena nibe la nonke, and you are the least tactical of the 3. Yabo. Now you have to play more centrally so that you can give us the security defensively. And then uRonan bese kudlala le bhola hlala lidlalela uMkwena njalo eli dangerous, and wena you're not as technical as uMkwena and ifaka inkingeni. But if you stick to umsebenzi wakho okukudefender as a defensive midfielder, lokushaya lawo ma build up kamancane here and there, ushaya ibhola ngapha nangapha noma udlala ama sideways ke kulungile, but wenzile umsebenzi wakho. Hawu sibonge coach. Play with the number eMzansi, we play with the number 10. Ngisho ngayapi? Ungaya ku Irayoti Komdise, o Stephen Pienaar, oh Dr. Khumalo, ungaya koThemba Zwane. We need to have a number 10, a creative player in midfield, not lokugcwalisa ama midfielder angasebenzi. Angikublame ukuthi waqala wesaba bosafunda i-tournament, bosafunda i-game, and thank you for ukuthi ushintshile mobotha kusebenza ukudefender. Awu siyabonga. Canada, here we come.